morning, my yogis. So I thought I'd do just a little introductory before we start day one. You may start that today or tomorrow, it's up to you. Just to let you know what maybe you could have. So first of all, I'll say I teach beginners yoga, so people of all levels can do it, and you just listen to your body, you take it to where you can take it. It's very important you listen to your body in the stretches, in the movements, just go to where you can go. So what I may do on the mat might not look the same for you, but you just go to where you can go in that pose or in the stretch. So the other things is you may not have a yoga belt, but you can use a dressing gown belt, will do just as well for doing some of the stretches. Also, a yoga block is very handy to have. So if you don't have a block, you could use a couple of books. So you could have a couple of books handy. We use the blocks sometimes. If we can't get down far enough, we use the blocks to lean on. So you could use some books. Then for some of our core work, what I use is a little Pilates ball. And you can just use a child's ball about this size. Or if you haven't got a ball, you can use a cushion. What we do is we place it between our knees normally and squeeze the knees, which then engages the core, so it helps protect your back when we're doing some of the core exercises. So that's another thing that you might not have or have, but have a cushion handy to do the exercises tomorrow. Also wear comfortable clothes, of course. You don't necessarily need a mat, you can do it on a carpet. Another thing you might want is a little blanket. I'm sitting on a little blanket or a towel, just for under your knees. Sometimes if we're on our knees, some of the positions can be sore on your knees if you're on a hard floor. So have maybe a little towel handy as well. And through the videos, if there's certain things you need, I'll let you know anyway underneath the video. We will normally do some breathing to begin with, as our breathing is so important. It helps calm our mind, helps relax the body. Before we start doing the exercises, it helps us to become focused. And throughout the practice, you really want to concentrate on your breathing. If we hold our breath, what a lot of people tend to do, if they're in a position that they find difficult, they'll hold their breath and then the muscles just tighten up, which makes it more difficult. So you want to breathe into any areas of tightness, and once you use your breath, the muscles will then relax. So it's important to use your breath too. And then at the end, we'll just normally do a little bit of relaxation, short relaxation. But also if you're wanting a longer relaxation, which you could do at the end, please let me know and I can send you one of my meditations, which you can then just lie and relax to, or sit and relax to at the end, depending on how much time you have daily. Now the videos will be 10 to 20 minutes daily and for 30 days. And it's about trying to get yourself in the habit of doing a little bit every day. We could go to the gym once a month, once a week, but at the end of the day, you're not going to see results or much difference. Whereas if you do 10, 20 minutes daily, then you will see the results in your flexibility, in your mobility, in hip pain, back pain, in your core strength, and also just in your general well-being and your calmness as well. So doing that little bit daily, whether it be in the morning or in the evening, you choose a time that you can try and fit it in. But try, if you can, to do it daily. I know there may be a day where you just can't fit it in, or 2 days, and then you can just come back to the videos and do whatever day you're on and restart doing it daily. So I think that is all for now. So I will see you for day 1 tomorrow, and I hope you enjoy the 30 days. So I will say namaste for now, and see you on the next video. So bye bye, yogis.